Hello Gemini, bonjour, bienvenue. This is your 2025 Aries season reading. Let's try to help you how to find the golden mean in this Aries season, which begins immediately with the Neptune Sun conjunction, what I was talking about in a daily video. Everything is in a mist, in a fog. You could be dizzy. Nevertheless, your ruler planet, Mercury, in retrograde. So, which means that your thinking, your thoughts, it could be a mess up. You have no idea what you should thinking about. To be honest, Gemini, usually you are not that fixed in your mind. You change your mind pretty often, but now with this Mercury retrograde, it just speed it up. Plus, the Neptune Sun conjunction doesn't help you too much. And it's a communication, even the public transport, it doesn't help. So okay, bear with me, please bear with me. I try to help you to figure it out. What is your golden mean in this Aries season? Okay? And the question is always, with each and every sign, what do Gemini need to do in order to find golden mean? What Gemini need to do in order to find the golden mean? What Gemini need to do in order to find the golden mean? What Gemini need to do in order to find the golden mean? And we will see what the cards suggest you. To be honest, I'm pretty shocked because I've got already signs I made, and the suggestions was pretty amazing and handful. So how you can survive this Aries season in this chaos what we have. Okay, so what Gemini needs to do in order to find the golden mean? Let's see. Okay, let's see what we have for you. 3-card spread. Oh, the strength, immediately the major arcana. 2 of cups. Oh, and the justice. You have 2 major, you are the first who have 2 major arcanas. What do you need to find the golden mean? Definitely do not be alone. This is the first what I could tell you. Do not be alone. As you see on the strength card, the guy is not alone. 2 of cups, definitely not alone. The justice is alone, but it's a Libra Venus card, so it's about being together with anyone, to be honest, so being a social life. More about that. Yeah, do not be alone. Look for because it's dangerous for you to be alone in this period. Probably you're going easily get mad. Strength card always just telling me as well that get the strength to go among people. Probably you don't want to be among the people. Sometimes I can understand this, but at this time, get the brave, take your courage, and go among the people. Even walking to the street or to a bar, go to a restaurant to eat. Even if you're alone, just be among the people, okay? Because if you go out, then you have a better possibility to meet anyone. I don't say it's a romantic relationship. However, 2 of cups could talk about that, but not. This is the main point right now. It's your survive mode, to be honest. So maybe you can meet someone else's who has the same situation as you, and then you can talk about. You can share the experiences, and don't forget justice. Don't forget that every decision has consequences, has result. So even if you don't decide you do not go out, then it has a result and has a consequence. And if you decide to go out, then it has a consequences as well. And this is what you don't forget. There is another trick we can do to count the card's value. So justice, it's number 8. Strength, it's 11. 8 and 11, it's 19. And the 2 plus 2, 2 of cups plus 2, it's 21. This is a major arcana. This is the world card, would be the world card, the number 21. So if you do that, then you have the world, you survive, you will be placed on earth, you will be placed on the world. Even I could say that you will be known for the world, nevertheless. The world card, Cancer had the world card in a spreading. So you can go and check the Cancer spreading and you will see how the world card looks like. Even I would say with the world that you will be placed in a world, the world will know you, but the world open to you and you will be open to the world as well. So you can get new new knowledge, new experiences, new possibilities, new doors open because you're open. And if you open to the world, then the world says as well that hello, welcome to the world. So this is the best way in this Aries period, which started March 20th, morning 10, to survive this Aries period and try to be really open. Usually the Gemini, I don't have problem to be open, but have a problem to find partners for this openness. This is their main problem. Now with Mercury retrograde could be a problem as well, but I don't want to say problem because just we make problem. Let's just do it as you feel that how you can go out, who you want to be socialized with others. Just do it as you feel. Okay? No, no negative, no positive opinions. Doesn't matter. As you feel. You are the most important. Okay? It's Attila Roth says because you're watching Attila Roth. This is the sentence that I always forget. Never mind. Okay. Um. Of course, I could say that if you take the strength and the courage, then you can have a partner relationship with someone. But don't forget that it was your decision and it could be a consequences. But from bottom of my heart, it's not what I want to say. It's not the real message. The real message is to go out to the people, get in touch with the people, write them even if you can, if you feel. Even in this video, you can leave a comment. Of course, you can share the video with others who you know that they are in a similar situation, or just send it, hey, it was good. So you can share this video as well. I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. These cards will be not on the Instagram because it's a 3 card spreading and it's a bit longer and a specific subject we have to discuss. So there will be no on my Instagram account, only the pictures and how I made the videos. This is the one and only, but this is about the cards. Okay, Gemini, be brave, take your courage, go out, get socialized, but don't forget it has a consequences and the world will open to you and you will be open to the world. Okay? Thank you for being with me. Have a lovely day. Merci. Belle journée. Au revoir.